VCR record. Are you meant to be trotting or doing something interesting, Sarah? Look at her go, she's soaring like a candy wrapper in an updraft.
Yeah, we're going to go the other way so I don't have concentration. Let's concentrate on her not swiping me off. Oh, like that.
I'd like to see some trotting action, Sarah.
Yeah.
Mrs. Sam's. What is that? Is it?
Now it is. No, it's not.
Use your whip. Your whip's not there to look pretty. That's what I'm for. Now she's off. That's the furthest I think Sarah has ever trotted in her life. On this horse anyways.